Happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. So, in computer, we have completed your chapter number 1. I hope you have also completed the notes also. Okay. Now, dear children, we are moving on the second chapter, that is more about paint. Now, dear students, you have already studied in second standard that what is paint and how we can draw in paint. Okay, paint is a very simple drawing program. Okay, it's a very simple drawing program and you are very used to it as you have studied in the second standard. Now, in third standard, today we are going to learn some more features about paint. Okay, I will explain you the theory as well as I will do the practicals for you. Okay, let's move on. Now, first of all, let us learn first how to use the select tool. Now, dear children, for using the select tool, we have to draw a picture, we have to draw an image in the paint. Okay. Now, first we will go to the paint document. Okay. Here is your paint document. See, ma'am has already drawn an image of a house for you all. Okay. You can also draw it. You can also practice it. Okay. You can do it while watching the video also. Okay. Come on, let's start. First of all, in Paint, to select a square or rectangular part of an image, click on Rectangular Selection, then drag the pointer to select the required part. Now, in Paint, if we want to select a square or rectangular part of image, here we will click on Select, then we will click on Rectangular Selection. Okay, then I will drag the mouse pointer to the part which I want to select and then I will select it like this. See, now the selected part you can cut also, copy also, delete also. You can do that. But you learned no how to select a rectangular part or square part. Let's move on to Paint document. Now I have shown you the rectangular selection. I will show you the free-form selection now. In this document, the irregular part is this. Okay, the grass is an irregular part. So if I want to select the irregular part of my document, I will use the free-form selection. Okay, see, this area is being selected. The grass is being selected. Okay, clear? Is it clear to you? The next one is the select all. Now, if I want to select the whole document, the picture, the whole paint document, I will just click on select all. That's it. Okay. Now, for what purpose is invert selection used? अगर मुझे किसी एक ड्राइंग का पार्ट सिलेक्ट करना है, ठीक है, एंड मुझे उसके अलावा बाकी का पूरा पार्ट सिलेक्ट करना है, फर्स्ट आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस. ओके, अब इसके अलावा मुझे बाकी का पूरा पार्ट अगर सिलेक्ट करना हो, ओके, व्हाट आई विल यूज ऑन इन्वर्ट सिलेक्शन. Okay, I will just click on the invert selection. Okay, now if I want to delete a image or a part of the selection, see, I will show you also. I will just select this part. Okay, then if I want to delete it, I will just click on delete. See, it is being deleted. Okay, now the next one is the transparent selection. Now if I want to make the background of the image transparent, I will just click on the transparent selection. Okay, in this document I have already there is a white document only, there is no, I have not put any color, so you can try this also. What you have to do is you will just select this image. Okay, you will just select the image and then you will just click on transparent selection. Okay, the background of the image will be transparent. Is it clear to you? Okay, moving on to the next. What is there in the moving and copying objects? Now here there are cut and paste, copy and paste picture into paint. Now you can use the cut option to cut the selected object and then paste it to another part of the drawing. Cut is used to cut a सिलेक्टेड ऑब्जेक्ट, एक उस ऑब्जेक्ट का हमको सिलेक्टेड पार्ट अगर कट करना हो एंड वी कैन पेस्ट इट टू द अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द ड्राइंग. ओके, copy and paste. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object, and you can also paste picture into Paint. You can also paste an existing picture file from your computer into Paint. These are the shortcuts, students. You have to learn it also. Now I will show you these three options in practical as well. Okay, how you can do that. Let's move on to our Paint document. Okay, now first we will use the cut and the paste option. First I will just select a part of it. Okay, I will select a part of the drawing, then I will cut it. Okay, then I will drag the mouse pointer here, then I will paste it. See this, it is the cut and the paste. यहाँ से remove होके वो कहीं और पे paste हो गया. Okay, clear to you? कट में क्या होगा, एक हमारा selected part उस drawing से कट होके दूसरी जगह पे paste हो जाएगा. Okay, I will just undo it again. Then copy and paste. How you will just copy and paste? See, if I am selecting a part of it, 1 second. See, if I am selecting this grass, okay, then I am using this copy option. Okay, then I am just pasting it somewhere else. See, this is the copy and paste. इसकी same duplicate copy यहाँ पे आ गई हमारे पास. Understood what is the difference between cut and paste and copy and paste? Is it clear to you? Now, if I want to paste a picture from my computer, what I have to do? I will just click on this paste option. Okay, a drop down menu you can see. The first one is paste and the next one is paste from. I will click on paste from option. Okay. See, this is the dialog box which is appeared. Okay, now if I want to paste a picture of this plant, I will just click on the open option. See, I have got here the picture of a plant. I have got here the picture of a plant. Okay, understood? It's very easy, students. Now moving on to the next, what we are having next. Now you have studied all these. Okay, moving on to the next, the undo and the redo option. Okay, the undo and the redo options buttons are available on the quick access toolbar at the top left of the corner of the window. The undo command is used to reverse the last action performed in Paint. When you make any mistake, you can use the undo command to reverse the last action, okay, and get back to the previous situation. The redo command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. जब हमको हमने कुछ कोई एक्शन किया है पेंट में, ओके, और हमने उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक कर दी है, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द undo command, and the opposite of the undo command is the redo command. It is the reverse the effect of the undo command. It is reverse the effect of the undo command. See, I have here pasted a picture. Okay, मैंने आपको दिखाया, मैंने पेस्ट किया पिक्चर कंप्यूटर से. Okay, now if I had made a mistake, मुझे ये पिक्चर नहीं कोई और पिक्चर चाहिए, so what I will just click, I will just click, here is the undo command, I will just click on the undo command. See, it's gone. Now if I click on the redo command, it's again here. Understood the difference, dear children? Okay, moving on to the next. These two are the shortcuts, you have to learn it. Next is rotate or flipper drawing. Now you can turn an image or selected part of image in any of the drawing area, that is known as rotating. Okay, and you can get the mirror image of a drawing of a selected part. This is known as flipping. Now अगर हमको किसी भी इमेज को रोटेट करना हो, we will just use the rotate option, and if you want to get the mirror image of a drawing or a selected part, we will just click on the flip option. Okay, I will show you as well. See, this is your Paint document. Okay, first of all, I will just select a part of it. Okay, now I will just click on rotate. I will click on rotate 90. See, rotate left 90. It's again there. Then rotate 180. See, you can see the difference. If you want to use the if you want to rotate a whole image or a part of an image. Okay. The next one is flip vertical. Now, if I want to get the mirror image of it, I will just use it. Flip horizontal. See, I will just show you once again. I will just select the whole image once again. Then I will just click on flip horizontal. I will get the mirror image of it. And if I will click the flip vertical option, here you can also see to get the mirror image, we will just use the flip horizontal or flip vertical. Okay, I will just undo the commands. Okay, the next one is the resize also. Now, dear children, here is the resize option. I will just show you once again. Above the rotate, there is resize. I will click here. Then I will click on pixels. I will click on pixels. Okay, then I will just, if I want to increase the size or decrease the size. If I want to decrease the size horizontally 800, here automatically vertically the size will appear. Okay, you don't have to write the vertical size of it. Okay, then skew also. Now what is skew? I will show you the effect of it, then I will explain you in theory. For suppose if I am writing here 8 and vertically if I am writing here 6. Okay, see here you can see the effect of it. Okay, the size is also being decreased and there is a change in the appearance of the picture. Now, what is the change? How the change is there? I will show you. Now, skewing an image means twisting or tilting the image in horizontal or vertical direction. Okay, this command is available in the resize and the skew dialog box. I have shown you skewing an image means ट्विस्ट करना और उसको टिल्ट करना हॉरिजॉन्टली एज वेल एज द vertically. And for resizing the drawing, you can increase and decrease the size of the image or any part of it. Is it clear to you? Okay. The last one is the action time. You have to refer page number 21 in your textbook. Okay. The first one is copy. Now, what is copy? It is used to make the duplicate copy of an object, the C1. Okay. The next one is the undo. Undo command is used to reverse the last action performed, that is the E1. Okay. Then I will give you one more also, resize. Now, what is resize? Resize is to increase or decrease the size of the image. Now, dear children, the other two you have to do it on your own in your textbook only. You have to just complete the action time in the textbook after watching this video. Okay, till then, bye-bye. God bless you.